Buongiorno. I think you know where I am. We have such a delicious episode for you. We're going to sample street foods at a market, at a festival, and we answer the question, Arancino or Arancina? We also have the history of this most important Sicilian street food. Come with me. That's called the pesce fritti misto, and there's the arancini. And what they do is they deep fry it. This is also typical street foods here. The calamari, anchovy. This is panella, which is chickpea. That's tomato salad with ricotta salata and onion, bruschetta, the pannelli, and those are croquette with the potatoes. There's my favorite Sicilian salad with fennel and orange. And there you go. You get a plate like this, and you're good to go. There's the octopus. Not my favorite, but here you go. That's how you eat it, with a little bit of lemon and parsley usually. And you walk around and eat street food just like this. The regular arancinis are with the ragu. They also have the spinach, the pistachio, the butter, which is actually ham and cream and peas. And of course, you can always just get a slice of pizza. Pizza margherita, but this is the lunch pizza, so it's a little bit different. There's the pizza with potato. Oh, it's focaccia actually. Grazie. 4 minutes later, boom. E questa è ragù?
Pistacchio, ragù, spinaci e mozzarella.
Yum. So is it arancino or arancina? There's no one better to answer that than one of our favorite guides, Juicy, in downtown Catania. So what's this big mystery? What's the big difference?
The big difference is, first of all, in the shape and in the content, because the rice balls in Palermo, called arancina, feminine noun, is round in the shape, and the ragu sauce is whitish. There's not tomato sauce. There's the grinded meat with some spices, and that's all. Our rice ball is more complicated. We like the cone-shaped rice balls with the rich tomato sauce and the meat inside, and then we add the peas, the boiled eggs, and then we put the saffron in the rice. It's more baroque. And it's shaped according to what was the typical shape of the monks, the Benedictine monks chose. Ergonomical, to grab it with the hands, and the rice ball in reality has to be eaten upside down, okay? So you take it, you turn it upside down, and you start from the bottom. Because as I say, gravity makes the sauce come down to the bottom. So once you start from the bottom, it'll be very tasty, full of sauce, full of meat, and you leave the dry rice, for the end of the experience.
Didn't this come about because the Benedictine monks made a humongous rice ball that was like 9 kilos, 20 pounds, and they were so upset because they couldn't eat it.
Couldn't eat it, and it crumbled because it was too big. Even if it's glued rice, if it's too big, you can't shape it, and first of all, you can't bite it. So they were so disappointed by this rice crumbling and coming apart that they decided to do whatever they could to take it, easily, and to eat it by tasting it. As we do now, I'm starting.
And how did this idea of using rice and meat and tomatoes and saffron and peas and eggs and all these, it was almost you open it up and there's a surprise inside.
Right. On the other hand, you know what? From our rice balls, we got to the famous Roman supplì. The Roman supplì, the word supplì comes from the French surprise. And we got something like this already in the Moorish times, because this ball of rice, we were rice producers in Sicily, so it's like a street food system. And we stuffed this rice with some other ingredients, and step by step we got to the meat, which was the richest, and that was for the aristocrats, because the aristocrats could eat the meat. And with the discovery of the tomatoes, we added the sauce. The sauce and the rice is what the French did. The ragu sauce is French. So from the Moors to the French to the rest of the cocktail, which is exactly Sicily, this is the most traditional food on the island, street food, but it's also a summary of who we are.
I love it. What's your favorite?
My favorite, meat.
Meat.
Or pistachio, but the pistachio sauce is something modern. In town here, don't miss the normal rice balls, fried eggplants,
Buono.
cheese, tomato sauce, and basil.
What is it called? The alla norma? Alla norma?
Norma style. You won't regret it. And if you're vegetarian, it's the best eventually.
Grazie, grazie.
Te.
Martina is going to be our taste tester today. There you go with the ragu. It's nice and juicy. Com'è? Spettacolare, vero? There's your traditional arancini. Fried fish.
Yes.
Nothing like it. They don't over fry it. Just perfect. Buono. Squeeze a little bit of lemon on there and you're all set. Buon appetito. Grazie. You can walk around with it or eat it right here sitting down. Buongiorno. Che sta facendo?
Qua, panini con la porchetta.
Panini con la porchetta, buono.
Ma c'è il rifuggio da oggi.
Cosa su?
Non so io.
Se va. Ah?
Coming to festival is a great way to sample street foods, and here we are in Trecastagni for the Festival of Saints Alfio, Filadelfo, and Cerino. But really, there's festivals all over Sicily at different points, and it's a great way to take in what everyday Sicilians like to eat, like to do, like to buy, because there's lots of, let's say, stuff to buy. And that's sheep intestine and some rolled meat with Philadelphia cream cheese. That's spleen right there. Sheep spleen. Oh, wow. Look at that with French fries.
Cipollata, patate e questa qua è peperoni, benissimo, sì, peperoni, non mi veniva il nome.
And a little bit of mayonnaise.
Sì, sì, maionese e tomato, sì.
Wow. Buon appetito.
Lei si mangia cavoli, pulito, non gusta.
Buongiorno. This is everyday Sicilian sampling. Buongiorno. That's with Nutella. And this one is with powder, sugar. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno a te.
It's the periods, onions and garlic. And what I really love is how they hand grate them. Buongiorno. If you're a meat lover, this is definitely the place for you. Buongiorno. E questo è cavallo, vero?
Carne, cavallo.
E questa salsiccia.
Polpetto.
Polpetto del cavallo.
Salsiccia piccante.
That's
Porchetta,
spicy.
petto di pollo,
Porchetta.
prosciutto, formaggio,
Buono.
porchetta romana.
Does is make it right here, and they always top it off with a little bit of oregano and olive oil. Yum. And then you top it off with all these condiments. Now I know this disturbs some people, but yes, horse meat is a very important street food here in Catania. And look at the people lining up. There's the cipollini, that's the involtini. All types of grills. Questo è involtini.
Philadelphia pistachio.
Philadelphia and pistachio. Yes, here we go again with the cream cheese. Now that's a full row of street food.
Ma raccomando, Paolo, uno senza acidi.
This guy very well because we featured him. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
On past episodes. Tutto bene. Wow, una selezione più grande. A little bit bigger selection than normal. All typical products from Sicily. Now, on Sundays, here's near us at Raitana, where we usually have our coffee. Cocoa water, cocoa water. Garlic, garlic, and more garlic. I wish you guys could smell this. Oh, and the red onions. Caramel. This is almonds, peanuts. I love these. The hazelnuts. Oh no. Here they're toasting ceci. Chickpeas. Huh. So what they do is that's sand right there, da mare. They toast it, e così usa il tacco, it becomes very salty. Very crunchy, very delicious. I've never had that before. This is the best crispelle with anchovies or with ricotta. Zeppola di riso. Questa è un'acciuga with anchovies, and then this one is with the ricotta.
And this is ricotta.
Ricotta.
Angelello, mi va.
Put a little bit of honey on there. Oh, with the honey, everyone's smiling. How's the
Delicioso.
The honey?
Oh.
Oh, buono.
Is that good with the ricotta?
How is it?
Is it good? Delicioso.
Let me see the ricotta in there. Bad fat.
Yes.
Yum. Ooh. And she's gluten-free and just taking a bite. Parochial choir. Quanti anni?
I più piccoli 6 anni, i più grandi 12-13
6 to
anni.
12.
Stiamo attenti a pin, 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 pin.
Io con te, da soli e te, su che sei dentro al mio cuore.
A tempo.
Io con te, da soli e te, senza che il mondo che gira intorno. Tu conosci tutto quanto di me, ma lo stesso ti parlo e ti dico che la tua voce
listening to those angelic voices was the highlight of my day. I have to tell you, the faces, their voices, and oh, they were so excited and so proud. Sono bravi. They were beautiful.
Vuole qualcosa?
Nutella, Nutella, Nutella. Yum. And then we've got all types of more sweets. Then there are these guys selling granita, gelato. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
This is what I love to see. Everyday Sicilians just enjoying the festival, having some ice cream. Buon appetito. Now when I say everything is for sale, I mean like everything. And these guys travel around to one festival after another or one market after another and just sell stuff. All types of herbs and all types of plants.
Certo che c'è dentro, certo. Oh, io non do now più.
Thank you so much for watching this episode. Of course, we have tons of videos of foods, on recipes, even a recipe on how to make arancino. Yes, I said arancino. And of course, thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you on another video of You, Me, and Sicily. Arrivederci. Ciao.